On June 26, 2020, at 12 a.m. GMT, a CoSpace Rescue Challenge map was issued to iCooL participants from around the world. All participants were given 24 hours to develop AI strategies to solve the same challenge. In CoSpace Rescue Challenge, teams are required to build a real robot, develop and program appropriate algorithms and strategies for both real and virtual autonomous robots to navigate through both real and virtual worlds. Additionally, they have to search and collect objects while competing with another team's robot that is also searching and collecting objects in the same real and virtual worlds. During the challenge, the robot needs to overcome barriers, avoid traps, and swamps. If the robot successfully makes a deposit, the points of the objects deposited will be doubled. The virtual field has been divided into a 3x3 matrix. When the robot moves into each section, the robot's corresponding location information will be assigned to the robot. Location information can be used for the development of AI algorithms and strategies, such as path planning and search algorithms. The winner of the challenge will be the robot with the highest points.
Hello, I'm Tan Min Min from Raffles Girls' School Secondary, Singapore. I have been involved in robotics for 4 years now, since I was 10 years old. Since then, I have been participating in the National Robotics Challenge almost every year, and the first LEGO League once. I was also supposed to participate in the RoboCup Rescue Line Challenge, which was unfortunately cancelled this year. Therefore, when I was presented with the chance to take part in my first virtual robotics competition, the iCooL Rescue FirstSteps U19 Challenge, I was very excited and signed up right away. A few days before the competition, I tried out the simulator. It was my very first time using the simulator, and I found it an interesting piece of software. I watched the YouTube tutorials on how to use the Graphical User Interface, or GUI, in the simulator to program the robots, which are very informative and helpful. I explored and played around with many strategies I could think of. The robot would turn a certain degree to avoid the wall according to the values of the ultrasonic sensors. Furthermore, since depositing objects require a delay of 3 seconds, I decided to only make one robot deposit if it has 4 or more objects, provided that the robot will come across the orange deposit zone more often. When the robot has collected and stored the maximum number of objects, I will ensure my robot does not pick up more objects, as there is a delay of 3 seconds, and this wastes time too. Instead, my robot will focus on finding the deposit zone. Throughout the run, my robot also avoids yellow, as that is the warning color for traps. On the day of the preliminary rounds, when I saw the map, I realized the special zone where you can get more points for objects collected there is in the middle of the map. Therefore, to ensure that the robot will go to the special zone at least once, I made my robot turn into the special zone first. When testing out my code, I realized 4 problems. Firstly, I said at the start, the special zone in the middle was not frequently visited. To solve this, whenever the robot avoided the trap at the bottom and was facing the left, it would turn right and move into the special zone. Secondly, the robot will usually miss the deposit zone at the bottom. To solve this, I also took advantage of the trap at the bottom, and when the robot came from the left of the trap, it would turn left into the deposit zone. Thirdly, after depositing the objects at the top deposit zone, my robot will go to the left side of the map more often than the right. To solve this, after the robot deposits and reaches the topmost wall, it will turn right instead of left and collect objects from the right side of the map. Lastly, the robot frequently bypasses the deposit zone at the top if it is coming from the right side of the map, and you have to waste more time searching for another deposit zone again, especially if it has collected and stored the maximum number of objects. To solve this, when the robot has the maximum number of objects and reaches the green marker from the right without depositing anything in the top deposit zone, it reverses and turns into the deposit zone to deposit the objects. Saying that I learned a lot from this iCooL challenge would be an understatement really. This challenge has been an eye-opener for me, as I did not know robot simulations were so sophisticated and it's almost similar to robots in real life. The only difference is that there will not be lighting differences, so the color sensor detects similar RGB values for the same colors. Furthermore, the sensors are never inaccurate, which makes it less prone to errors as long as the code theoretically works. I have also learned that we should compete with ourselves and aim to better our score with each modification to the code we make, instead of comparing our scores with others. I feel this is the best way to improve constantly, and this can be applied outside of this competition too. I am so grateful and surprised that I got into the finals when I participated for the first time, and I really look forward to future iCooL challenges. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. I hope you got to know me better. Goodbye!
Hello everyone, I'm Yan Li. This is my self-introduction. I come from Taiwan. My team ID is TW5083 and my group is RCAP FirstSteps U19. The next part is for my strategies. Strategy 1. A long wall. A long wall, as the name suggests, the robot will move along the wall and it would collect the objects in a short time. When walking along the wall, there are a few things that you need to be careful. First, you need to choose which side would you go with, right or left side. Second, how much is the distance between you and the wall? Third, watch for your speed or the robot would go into the trap. Last, you can utilize the position X and Y to change the distance or the side when catching the objects. Strategy 2. In blue. In the blue area, the robot can get double points on objects, so I make the robot stay inside the blue area to collect more points. When the robot is in the blue area, remember to slow down your speed, because it's harder to catch objects if it goes too fast. Besides, the color of the objects in the blue area is also very important. It can help the robots know when to depart the blue area. Strategy 3. RGB. If you deposit red, black, and a cyan at the same time, you'll get extra points. So I let it deposit only when it has a RGB. Strategy 4. Marker. Marker is a special color on the ground to help the robot know where it is and where it should go in the next second. For me, I use it to let the robot go to the orange area much faster. Strategy 5. Deposit. A orange part in the map seems very gentle. No doubt it's the place where you can add points. When robot unload all the objects in the orange area, you would get double points. To get in the orange area more easily, I make the robot turn right or left when only one of the color sensors detects orange. Due to CoSpace, I learned many new things about the computer language. Learning CoSpace let me be like an engineer that creates apps. Today, I'm very excited about participating in this CoSpace competition. To win this game, I practiced for a long time, from running a program to testing results, from day to night. Not like EV3, CoSpace is very convenient, since you just need a notebook to discover the secret of the computer. Learning CoSpace, the most interesting part is when the car collects a lot of points. The happiness and pride crawl all over my body. That's the great medicine for curing my tiredness. But not everything goes smoothly. Sometimes there are still some mistakes or troubles, such as I've already put lots of time in coding a new program, but it just can't work. Maybe someone would quit in that case, but the word quit isn't in my dictionary. If I started to do something, I'll try my best to let it become wonderful. This is my first time joining the CoSpace competition. I'm very nervous but excited. I'm afraid of making mistakes, but I'm still very excited because I can finally show what I've learned in the past to all the contestants from different countries. In the future, I hope I can continue learning computer language. It is important to learn well this in the era of information explosion. Robots could do dangerous and high repeatability occupations. What the robots can't do is creating things and programs. So if you don't want to be replaced by a robot, try to master the computer language.
And off we go! In this demo game, we will minimize any manual intervention. Blue Robot is searching in the blue spatial area. Any objects picked up in this area will double in value. Blue Robot is full. Blue Robot is depositing. Red Robot is calculating its path. Blue Robot is depositing. Blue Robot is leading. Red Robot is full. Blue Robot is full. Red Robot is depositing. Blue Robot is depositing. Red Robot is searching in the blue spatial area. Any objects picked up in this area will double in value. Blue Robot is depositing. Red Robot is full. Red Robot is depositing. What a move! Looks like a close match. Blue robot is depositing. 1 minute left. Red robot is searching in the blue special area. Any objects picked up in this area will double in value. Blue robot is full. Blue robot is depositing. Blue robot wins this challenge. Congratulations!